What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we're at the AFE, I think it's called, like detailing shop meet. DDE's supposed to be here, and I think there's a couple cool cars that are coming or already here. There's a lot of boys here already. This is actually after cars and coffee, so I guess we'll see what comes and see what becomes of this meet. Let's go. Alright, we came inside. I heard there was a hypercar, lurking around. We got the Mclaren Senna. That's our like Houston local car. We did just get another one though. I don't know who got it, but it's all black. And then matching Heritage Edition Ford GT. I don't believe the same guy owns both these, but it's still cool. It's a Senna. Then behind us we got the Lamborghini Squadra Corsa, the wide body 458, and Dave and Damon from DDE. They came to this one too. Bruh, I just noticed something. Dave has AirPods and Damon doesn't. Does that mean all the cars belong to Dave because he's richer than Damon? Hunter's here now. We're gonna check out all these cars. We got some copyright music in the background, so I'm just gonna cut it. I don't want no copyright strike, YouTube. Don't do this to me. Let's just see these cars. There is Sonic. I think I will go get a milkshake now. We got our Sonic. I'm pretty happy right now. I haven't had Sonic in like 10 years.
Got a watch store. That's why.
Bullet Bill.
Hey gorgeous. I got a car.
What on earth?
We got the U-Haul out here.
Alright guys. My tiredness is starting to set in from this morning. I'm feeling it. And so I guess we're gonna go to the exit now. Try to get some cool people to do some dumb stuff. So let's see what we can do.
legend, man.
He's too fast for the cops, man. He ain't even trying.
Oh no. He's getting some.
Oh no, he's out of there.
Run! Run! He did it in front of the cop. Hey, he took over the team though. He didn't even
We're about to head out, but look who's rolling in.
On the way out, the party's just getting started, guys.
Alright guys, I'm about to fall into a sleep coma. They aren't actually fighting. I'm about to fall into a sleep coma. We're gonna head out of this meet a tad early. It was cool seeing everyone. Shout out to you if I saw you today. And then shout out to my boy Big Tuna, Wicked Tuna. You know who you are. I love you, bro. Put your Instagram up on the screen. And yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna get my rest and hit it hard tonight, baby. Let's do it. If you did like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.